Here in Herefordshire, we deliver the public realm contract on behalf of Herefordshire Council. So it's an end-to-end contract that starts with design and project management through to operational delivery. And that operational delivery ranges from routine and cyclical maintenance through to major capital schemes. To support our operational delivery, we've recently implemented an operational control hub. So the control hub uses existing technologies and systems and to provide one focal point that allows us to monitor our activities in real time.
Within the hub we can see every placement of every vehicle that we have in the county, so we know where our members of staff are at any point in the day. Again, that has a knock-on effect to making operational decisions. We can also see a quantity of defects which are planned, track progression and overall performance. All the guys on the ground have tablets and smartphones, so we're able to sort of link into them individually via gang codes, and they have the direct link into the control hub, so we're able to transfer data within seconds. We can take a defect from an inquiry to a job to the gang within a couple of clicks of a button.
The hub is really useful when we have emergencies in our county, so when we've got things like flood events or mud on the road, we can deploy the closest resource to those events, and this is helpful for our communities as the response time is much quicker.
Having an ability to understand the network is key to reacting to things and issues we've got on the network and things that's happening out on the network. From my perspective, at Herefordshire Council, we want to do it as efficiently as possible with the greatest value as possible. The control hub brings a greater visibility and allows Balfour Beatty to deploy their services more efficiently by understanding that network, understanding where the issues are and who and where people are on the network so they can respond.
In the background to all of the stuff from the hub, we are collecting and analysing data from various different sources. It could be jobs, inquiries, anything like that, and we're then looking at those under more scrutiny than we were before. So you can look at it from a tiny grain of sand as an individual job to the whole desert of how many jobs have we done since the hub began, or even 3 years prior to the hub, for example. Analysing the data allows us to make far better operational decisions based on factual data and evidence.
Since the hub was implemented, we've had a 13% increase in defect productivity, and we've based that on last year's and the years before figures, and we've already seen a steady increase, and we're looking for this to continue.